Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So let's discuss some important stock market news and the stock market update, index levels update for the coming week, and I will discuss some important reasons also why stock market crash happened in last week. So the detailed analysis will do to know the level of the Nifty 50, Nifty Bank. Stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel also for regular update of the index levels and stock in news buying level for investment. So let's start with the news, important reason which actually last week happened, and I will directly take you all to the chart and then I will discuss the important reason why it happened last week. So last week actually some important news came, and the rising market, the uptrend market suddenly went into the crash, and this you can see all happened in last week only. So very important news, I will discuss some reason. The number one reason was the geopolitical uncertainty, geopolitical situation. As you all know that Iran attacked on Israel, and Israel, the war and all happening and happened in last week actually, and because of that there was a very panic situation in the US market also, and even in Indian stock market also. So this was a very big reason for the fall, for the crash, because the market was uncertain what is going to happen next. So number one, and number two reason was crude oil price is rising, and crude oil price is rising because of these Middle East tension situation, uncertainty. As we are a big importer of the crude oil from the Middle East, so this is actually going to happen. It is actually inevitable. This will affect the crude oil price. The crude oil is rising, and even I guess last month it has even risen more than 10%. I think it is on 78. You can check detail, and it is I guess on 78 per barrel and dollar per barrel. तो ये एक बहुत ही important reason है stock market crash का. As you all know that we are all dependent on our all businesses is dependent on the crude oil, and crude oil is affecting the Indian stock market also, even it is affecting the whole world. So the thing is, second thing is crude oil rising price, and the third reason can be FII selling. Yes, the heavy selling happened in last week from FIIs. As I just studied the data, and I got that more than 15,000 crore FIIs have sold, and this is also a very big reason for sharp fall. As even within 2 days they have sold very heavily, and this made market very big concern because the FIIs are going away, swiping their investment. So third reason is FIIs heavy selling, and number four is Q2 results is going to start on next week. Okay, so next week the companies are going to post their Q2 result, and this will be actually concerned that how they are going to show their performance. And number four is done, and number five, it is actually the RBI MPC meeting, which I already discussed in my last videos, that RBI MPC meeting is scheduled in next week. And yes, this is on 7th to 9th October. And 9th October is very important day for us to know that what is the outcome is coming from the RBI meeting, as stock market is expecting the rate cut. As you all know that already US Fed has already cut the rate interest rate. So we are expecting from the RBI also that rate cut is going to happen. If it is happening, yes, it is definitely save the market and will give some run up, will give some rise, and will give some up move. Otherwise, uh, we'll see in next to next what happens. But outcome will come on 9th October, and I will definitely, in my next video, I will definitely discuss the RBI outcome in detail. And till then, we have to actually wait for the decision of the RBI on the interest rate cuts. So these 4 5 reason I have discussed, these are important reason for the stock market crash. As I discussed, number one, the geopolitical situation. Number two, the crude oil rising price. And number three, the FII's heavy selling. And number four, Q2 result season is going to start. And the number five is RPC. Uh, and the number five is RBI MPC meeting outcomes. So this is the reason for the stock market crash, I will say, which happened in last week. Now let's discuss the chart. Then you will come to understand what all happened. As on this day, on 26 September, in my last week video, it was at all time high, and it was actually, it has touched the 26,250. As you will see the video, I have given this the resistance level for the Nifty 50 for um, last week. And see how beautifully it has respected this level and touched the 26,250 here, 26,270 also, 77. If I read the exact number, 26,277. And from there, just it is falling, falling, falling. And you will know that this fall actually more this fall actually is about 5%. 5% fall in only within a week. 1 2 3 4 5 means within a week. So, and all the reason I already discussed. और मार्केट थोड़ा बहुत ओवरबॉट भी हो चुका था. एज यू विल सी फ्रॉम हियर, इट हैज जस्ट रीटेस्टेड, एंड फ्रॉम हियर it was going only up, up and up. It was never looking back. Even from here, if you will see, यहाँ थोड़ी दिन consolidation चला, and after that from here it never looked back. It was straight going up. Only this was a pullback, and from here, now it is 5% fall in a week. It has broken the 20 MA also, or now it is very concerned because it has broken the 50 MA also. 50 MA also, and as I always keep giving the important support, which is 25,000 since last so many video, that 25,000 is a psychological support also, and technical support also. This support is very important, and you will see on Friday this has touched the 25,000 exactly, and it is exactly there only. Even it has not broken also, and even it has not uh, taken reversal also. So this is very very important to look it up on this on next week, that this level is going to break or not, or it is taking reversal, or it is breaking also. And even if it's breaking, it will immediately go to 24,800, 700, and 24,700 if I say, is a very very important support. It should, Nifty 50 should not break anyways. Actually 25,000 is also very important, or it is looking actually very weak also. So we have to keep watch, don't jump in, don't do anything, just keep watching what market is going to do at this level, and you will come to know what will be the actually effect, that actually what decision you should take. So this level is very important, and after that 24,800, I'm not going beyond this in this week only, as this is short term levels only. So this level I am taking फाइनल फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक 24,800. बट अगर बहुत ज़्यादा टेंशन होती है, एज यू नो दैट ऑल इज गोइंग ऑन नाउ, Israel, Iran, so it is very important to keep the watch on news also. And it will actually definitely affect this stock market on next week. So next week is very important, and this trading area is also very important. Resistance, what should I talk about resistance? Abhi to immediate resistance 25,500 ही है, and but we have to see it is breaking on upper side, or it is breaking on lower side. So Nifty 50 levels for coming week: support 25,000, and then 24,800, and resistance 25,500. Similarly, we will discuss the Nifty Bank also, and Nifty Bank has shown even more fall than even Nifty 50. And yes, it has actually fallen in within a week, within last week, more than 5%. I will say around 6%. 6% is a sharp fall happened in Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank does this all-time high on 26 only, yes, and 26 from 26 September, which was a very important resistance. It started falling till here, which is more about 6%. This support is very important for the Nifty Bank as 51,000. I'm also not jumping in the next level, but if you see in even Nifty Bank also, it was a breakout here, which I have discussed even last week for the rounding bottom breakout here. Yes, here this breakout happened, and from there it has touched this level, and then started falling. So still I'm not taking this level for the resistance, as I see Nifty Bank first will face a very strong resistance here, which is 20 EMA, and this level is 52,600 around. Yes, resistance 52,600. So 52,600 को अगर break कर देता है, then it will definitely face a strong resistance here, which is 53,400, 350 or 400. If you want to take round figure, 53,300, but 53,300 will come only after breaking this resistance, जो कि अभी next week में market इतनी तेजी से भागेगा. I don't see it, I don't feel it, as the geopolitical tension is going on. So this can be a first resistance. I'm taking this 52,600, and I'm not jumping in this level now for the next week. If it's breaking, you just keep this level in mind, that now 53,300 level is imminent. And the support, if we talk, 51,000 is a very important support. It should not break. If it's breaking this, the next level can be a 50,500, 50,000, yes, exact 50,500, and it will come after breaking 51,000. So I am taking 51,000 only. If it's breaking, you keep this level also in your mind, that 50,500 will come immediately. Nifty Bank trading range can be for the next week: support 51,000, and after breaking it, support is 50,500, and the resistance is 52,600. So this was overall uh, important news, important thing I could actually discuss. In short, I have discussed, and the level, if I repeat again, the Nifty 50 support 50, Nifty 50 support 25,000, and then 24,800, and resistance 25,500. And Nifty Bank level support 51,000, and after breaking it 50,600, and resistance 52,600. If you have any question regarding stock market news and index levels, stocks, stock in news, anything, you can ask me, and DM me also on Twitter and Instagram, and comment here down. And yes, like and share the video for the more reach, for the more people, and subscribe the channel for regular update of the stock market index levels and stock market news and stock in news for the investment. Now signing off.